This is the Apple USB-C to Lightning adapter. This is a very important adapter that's hopefully going to be able to connect my iPhone 15 Pro Max right here to my CarPlay system, which is currently a Lightning adapter cable. And I've been trying a lot of adapters. None of them work because a lot of them are just for charging or simple audio purposes. This one's supposed to work for CarPlay, for data, for charging, and everything. That's why this is a very special Apple USB-C to Lightning adapter, and hopefully it will allow my USB-C on the iPhone 15 Pro Max to connect to my CarPlay, which is currently Lightning. So we're gonna test it out right now, and if it works, great. If it doesn't, I'm actually out of solution. I don't know what else to try, but here we go. We got some paperwork, and we have the adapter. Look at that, beautiful adapter, and let's make sure it is the adapter we're looking for. Wow, it's nicely braided too. Beautiful. Beautiful quality. So on this end, this is a Lightning adapter, and this end is going to be USB-C. So here we go. We're going to connect our Lightning from our CarPlay system right here. Okay, that's pretty good. First step looks good. And then let's see, will the audio work if I connect this end to the CarPlay system? Let's go. Oh, it works. It works. So there we go. This cable does work. Right now, I can stop it. I can play, and I can change the audio loud and lower it. It works perfectly. So this cable is the only one I found that's able to use the Lightning to USB-C and work with CarPlay. And right now it's with CarPlay, so if I wanted to, I can go to my music right here, and I can change the track, increase the volume up and down. I can change the track, and everything works. Wow, I can't believe it. Now my system is still working even after my iPhone 15 Pro Max upgrade, which has USB-C, and it's working right now. This thing is amazing. There we go. This adapter here has saved the day. Oh yeah.